Hello everyone, welcome to day 71 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the stitch called the rise stitch. To start off this stitch, you'll need to crochet an odd number of double crochet foundation chain. If you do not know how to crochet a double crochet foundation chain, you can go ahead and make a normal foundation chain with odd numbers and make one row of double crochet stitches. For the sake of the video, I have 13 stitches here. Okay. Now we are going to start our rise stitch. To start off the rise stitch, chain 1, turn your work, and into the very first chain you are going to make a half double crochet. Now into the next stitch we are going to make a front post double crochet. A front post double crochet is done around the post of the stitch. So this is my very first double crochet right here. I'm going to yarn over, go into the space here, that is between the first double crochet and the second one, and come out of the space between the second and the third one. That is the post of the double crochet is on my crochet hook. Now pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of first two, yarn over, pull out of next two. Now we are going to do a back post. You have to again go in between the second and third, push the third stitch back, come out of the third and fourth. So here you can see that the post is at the back of the hook. Now you are again going to make a normal double crochet, just that you have to insert into the back post. Now again you are going to do a front post and then a back post. You have to keep alternating this till the end of the row. Okay. Stop when you have 2 stitches left. That is the last double crochet and the turning chain. So this is the last double crochet. You are going to make a front post here and onto the turning chain, that is the very last stitch, you are going to make a half double crochet. This completes the first row of the rise stitch. Now again chain 1, turn your work, make a half double crochet, and you are going to repeat the row. You are not going to alternate the front post and back post. You are again going to make a front post and you are going to make a back post. So this time if there is a front post here, you are going to do a back post, and if there is a back post, you are going to make it into a front post. This is what forms the rise pattern on your crochet yarn. Okay, so row after row you are just going to start with a front post and make a back post, front post, back post, like that. And the start of the row, it always starts with a half double crochet and ends with a half double crochet. I hope that is clear. It's quite an easy stitch. You just have to repeat this pattern. First a front post and then a back post. It doesn't matter which row you're doing, it's just a one row repeat. Okay. Now again it ends with a front post. We are going to make one half double crochet on top of the turning chain from the previous row and continue the pattern. So this is the right stitch pattern. Do try it out, and if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section, and I'll meet you all tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.